This is Hoover Place and the Black History Month display. We also have some of our residents who are here viewing the display. There's a display of angels and another display of dolls. And then there's also a wedding display. Joan, what do you think of the Black History display?
I think it's beautiful. I'm glad to see it being captured.
How about you, Mr. McKinney? What do you think?
I think everything is beautiful. It looks real nice. Yeah, I like the angel up there. I like all of them. Everything is beautiful.
This looks like it might have came from out of Africa.
She did a good
Yes,
job
it's
on
beautiful.
So you found some over here you like, Ada?
Right here, and then I like this church religious exhibit.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
So, and is this here the whole month of February for the Black History Month?
Yep.
And-
Everything looks real nice.
Well, thank you.
Looks real nice.
And Joyce, what do you think?
These Cabbage Patch dolls and things are very beautiful. I've always loved little dolls.
That's quite a little family in the chair there.
Yeah. Father, mother, baby.
Okay. And Dorothy, do you have any comments?
Yes, I think all of this is very unique. I love all of it. It's very nice. Beautiful settings.
It's here. It is.
Yes.
This one over here is really pretty. Uh-huh. But who made that, Joan? That's crochet. I thought this was yours.
I like this purple this way.
Mine is all around. That is pretty.
Yes.
Well,
everything is.
Thank you for sharing your Black History